ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ ti dójú ẹ̀ bá wọn wá sọ fún Yomi Fábíyì pé ṣebí ó ní evidence tí àdúrà sẹ́ǹdì sí ẹ ipe kí ló dé tó fi evidence yẹn tó fi síta kí gbogbo ayé rí ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ṣe kí ni ó ta kókó gidi gan ni ṣèbáwọn sọ pé ẹ̀sẹ̀ aláwọn alágbára ló wà ń di ẹ̀ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ nǹkan tí Yomi Fábíyì sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn àti oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ àti ẹni tí bàbá Mohbad rán lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ wo ọ̀rọ̀ kì í síbẹ̀ o ẹ wá lọ gbọ́.
bọ́dà Yomi tí bọ́dà Yomi bá náà wọ́n ní kíní yẹn lọ́wọ́.
Mr. Dimos ẹ jọ ṣẹ́ ti sọ̀rọ̀ tán ẹ má bínú ẹ̀ ní sọ̀rọ̀ tán lágbára Ọlọ́run kúrò.
Yes sir. No mo kàn fẹ́ bẹ bọ́dà Yomi ni ṣó ti yẹn nǹkan tó bá ní lọ́wọ́ kàn give it out okay nísìn ẹ wo nísìn
ẹ ṣe jẹ́ ká fún yín lésì ẹ kàn sọ̀rọ̀.
hold on Dimos hold on.
okay sir ẹ gbọ́ ẹ sir.
gbogbo yóò kì í ṣọmọdé náà.
Mr. Lati.
Hold on, buy your billions.
Mr. Lati, Yomi ò ní wá bú anybody ní ìbáyé o. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ fún kó má bú anybody, kó jọ kó má bú anybody.
Please, buy your billion, please. Buy your billion. Allow him to talk, I beg you, please. All right.
Mr. Lati, first and foremost. Èmi ò mọ Àdúrà rí, mi ò mọ anybody rí. Adura DM'd me. He first started by coming to my comment section and he referred me to my DM. That is the result of the DM. Timothy Besita. Even the DM alone. Táwa ayé ṣì rí. Tó bá yẹ pé ó easy fáwọn èèyàn ni. Wọ́n lè sọ pé mi gan ni mo DM ara mi. Pé mo lọ create fake account. But of course, none of these people, you ask yourself, was there any time they denied sending video? And then to answer the issue of sending to Baba or sending to anybody, see, fighting for justice and to get results is not going to be on social media. Whether I trust the police, whether I don't trust the police, any tangible video I have, police is not the mafu. The only thing I want to do is come and Nigeria for wa. However, they only saw the shot alone. Wọ́n sue any of you now. Wọ́n ṣe press conference lórí ọ̀kan lóyìn. Èmi náà wọ́n ṣe press conference lórí ẹ̀.
Mute.
Because I was able to expose and fight for the truth and justice.
Mr. Yomi, please, does a 3-second video exist in your capacity? Yes or no, sir?
I'm not in a position to respond to you because you started by saying I'm not to abuse anybody. I've written a petition.
No, yeah, because the most was speaking. Anyway, I wanted to interject.
Hold on, Mr. Bayo.
Mr. Bayo, please let us do this. Let us do this orderly.
Question now: does a 3-second video exist in its capacity? Yes or no?
Mr. Bayo Billions, please let him make his submissions.
I came before him now.
Bayo, can you let him finish?
You told me to hold on, right? Mr. Bayo,
you know why I chose not to supply the video?
Mr. Yomi, please hold on, sir. Hello, Mr. Yomi. Mr. Yomi, can you hold on, sir?
I'm listening to you.
Mr. Bayo Billion.
Yes.
If you know you are here before Yomi, and you want to talk, please, Mr. Yomi, can you please, I beg you in the name of God, mute Mr. Bayo Billion. Let's hear you, sir, please. Mr. Yomi, please just hold on for him because he said he was here before you. So let's hear you before we'll now listen to Mr. Yomi. Please, Mr. Bayo Billion.
Okay, thank you. I crave your indulgence, Mr. Yomi. If what I've said earlier is an attack on you, but Mr. Lati, thanks for the opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Onile. Thank you, everybody. Now, this is where I want to start from. Because I know somebody called in, particularly to say that, fún Yomi lówó. Tí ìwọ bá fún Yomi lówó does not mean some other people do not give Yomi money. In the case of the CCTV, I donated money to the foundation account. Tí wọ́n gbé sílẹ̀. I donated money in the case of the CCTV. And that was exactly after the Alobas family has given him a condition to say that, go and get it, we will pay. That was the condition the Alobas family. Mr. Latilo platform in want to shake in. Alobas family said, go and get it with your foundation, we will pay you. And after that time, I contributed money to your account.
You
don't have to see. You don't have to say it.
Mr. Yomi, please, I beg you, just hold on.
I'm not going to accept that rubbish.
Mr. Yomi,
Mr. Yomi, I beg you.
I'll get out of this place if this guy is going to keep lying and say shit. Nobody.
No, Mr. Yomi,
Mr. Bayo, money aspect.
But you are still.
Bayo billions. Money aspect.
I beg you.
Bayo, please don't mention that money donation. Please don't mention that.
No. Mr. Lati, ẹni sùúrù. Ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ ni mò ń bá wí, Bayo mi sọ̀rọ̀. Mo ní ẹnìkan wá ń sọ ní pé fún Yomi lówó. Kò sẹ́ni tó dáwó fún Yomi ni mo ṣe sọ nǹkan tí mo sọ.
Mo ní ṣe Yomi, mo ní ṣe tó yẹ lẹ fi gòkè torí mo ti jẹ́ mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gòkè nísìnyí. Ẹ sọ pé tí Yomi bá ẹni tí Yomi bá ẹni tí Yomi bá ẹni tí Yomi bá rù ẹni tí Yomi bá ẹni tí ẹni
ẹni wí. Bayo, please calm down. Please calm down. Everybody, please.
Ẹjọ́ tó Ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ lè respect the platform mi náà ẹjọ́.
Kí mẹ́nu kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ ká mẹ́nu kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ẹjọ́ tó Ọlọ́run respect the platform mi kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ respect àwọn
èèyàn. In all honesty, I don't wish to go there, but mo sọ pé ẹni tó pè wọlé.
Ìwọ àti ṣe ṣó látàárọ̀ ìwọ gbọ́ wá sókè wáì tí ó ṣe jẹ́ gbà tí Yomi wà bíbá ìwọ náà wá gòkè.
No, mo tún wà lókè ọjà mi bọ́lẹ̀.
This guy has always been lying. Ìgbà kan náà lò náà fún mi 5 million. Negative.
Brother Lati was here. He's been here before. He's been here before.
Bayo Billion was here. Honestly, he was here. Generally, to the long.
Just like I said, I'm sorry, right? Just like I said, Town Eba make submission. They should be careful. I don't mean to malign his foundation or what. But ẹni tó pè wọlé tó sọ pé fún wọn lówó à ń ṣe bá àwọn tó ń fún lówó gan ló yẹ kí mi sọ̀rọ̀ sí aspect yẹn.
Because he never donated nothing like that in my foundation account.
Don't worry.
You like the other time he said the legal team I was asking 5 million.
Mr. Yomi, can you let Bayo talk? Nǹkan tó máa sọ, just jot it down. Bọ́dá Yomi, nǹkan tí Bayo Billion bá ń sọ, kí ló dé you fi lè jot it down? And when it's your own turn, then you can start narrating your own stories. Ṣé àgbàlagbà ní gbogbo wa ń bíbá ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ fún Bọ́dá Lati ẹ jẹ́ ká fún wọn ní platform ẹ jẹ́ ká fún wọn ní respect because the other team they are steaming they are listening to us like àwọn idiot yẹn tuntun ń jà again ẹ má jẹ́ ká ṣe báyẹn every time kọ́lá lè máa jà lórí platform yìí náà.
All right,
every time kọ́lá lè máa jà ìjọ náà.
Please ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí please. We want to hear from you can hold on. We want to hear from Yomi now.
Bayo Billion. We are all adults. Ati walenu kini over a year and a half. Why is it that they don't know one more you come and drag you? Ṣé nǹkan tá a fẹ́ lélẹ́yìn ni? I thought that they think drag àti pariwo lórí kini kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì ní wa tó ní tangible evidence. Àtúwárí fúnra lára ọmọ tó ní kéèsì gangan ló wọnú àbúrò ẹ̀ tó lọ inbox máa yìí. Ẹ ṣe jẹ́ ká máa ní sùúrù. Why is it that ẹ láì kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa bring àwọn èèyàn down? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lẹ fẹ́ gbà nínú eléyìí náà? Why is it every time ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ìṣẹ̀lérí alábàámu Bayo Billion? Ká ronú náà, we all have family. Kí ló dé ta fẹ́ gbogbo ológun ta fẹ́ ru ẹrù ẹlẹ́rù? Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kí ní àmì kẹ́bi ọmọ yẹn ṣì wà ní mọ́ọ̀gì náà. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Kí ló dé gan-an ẹ̀dẹ̀ pé ẹ̀dọ̀ fi rú yín?
Can I go with my submission?
Ẹni sùúrù Mr. Yomi, ẹni sùúrù ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kó lè wà orderly báyìí, ẹni sùúrù.
Tó bá ṣe tí màá yí bá ṣe títí ẹ̀ Mr. Yomi, ẹ̀yin náà lọ ṣe títí yín. Ìwọ náà kúrò lábroad kó lọ wá investigation ẹ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Kí ló dé gan-an? Tó máa ń pè ọ́ lábí fúnra rẹ̀ ó yẹ kó pa fún ẹ̀ mọ́ náà.
Because most of these people, you don't know them, so they're just taking advantage of the anonymity of social.
Bọ́dá Yomi, please, can you hold on? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni sọ̀rọ̀ sà, gẹ́gẹ́ bí Sister Debbie ṣe sọ lẹ́ǹkan, Yomi Fabiyi is only here to help. Yomi kọ́ ló pa Mohbad, ẹ get. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká control platform yìí. Ẹni tá a bá ti pè wípé kó sọ̀rọ̀. We have 2 panelists here, me and Sister Debbie, then the host. Ẹni tá a bá ti pè ní kó unmute kó sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹni tí a bá ti ní pé kó unmute tó bá ti unmute, please we might have to drop that person. Please bear with us. That is how we are going to do it for today. Thank you, Mr. Yomi. Let's hear you. Thank you. God bless you.
All right.
Everybody, please let's power tap.
So immediately I got the lead of that shot from Adura. And first thing first, me more no lay Mohbad, me more Atu Adura. Everybody was saying, Yomi, don't say anything you're doing on social media. You know, just work with Karimo. People believed her and she was on this platform. So I was going to believe her to an extent. And I shared with her that, number one, look at what I'm getting. Shori Kini, she Atu Adura ni. She went to confirm, she said yes, okay? And I sent, what was going on. And then we're just talking, and it got to a stage they were going to send me the video because they were asking for money as well. If we email me, we'll send the email. The video was sent, and I sent a copy of the video to Karimo. And, I couldn't send the money because I don't play fast one on him. Mo de losun. Kito G, Karimo ti blow gbogbo nkan tó wà no chat yẹn. Despite the fact of my repeated warning in our private chat, do not share with anybody. Ó ti gbé síta. Ó ti ó fẹ́ dá Bukky Jesse lóhùn. It's an ambush. These people are working for people. They are double agents. Don't respond to her. Let's do the right thing according to the law. Ó dẹ̀ ti gbé jáde nìyẹn. Mo ti wá bother. She said, she needs to defend us. I said, defend us for what? Well, it's wrong. Nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ fún búyàn tó fi rò pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ṣe because tó wọ́n gbé jáde yẹn sìn àwọn púpọ̀ àṣàyè lọ ṣe kíni wọ́n àṣàyè lọ ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n block nǹkan tó fẹ́ block, and that was what actually happened. The next day tí mo kàn máa gbọ́, it was the same Karimo láàrin òru yẹn tẹ́mi ti sùn náà ló ti sọ pé kò ń ṣe àdúrà ló bá mi chat kíní kan ló bá mi chat mi ìmẹ̀ tó ń jẹ́ Dàmọ́lá mi rírí. Mo wá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní okay, even kò wá jẹ́ Dàmọ́lá àbí kankan, is the Dàmọ́lá ṣó wà nílé ẹjọ́ tí Mohbad kú? Well, if that is it, then we have a good case. He's a credible witness. I'm going to take this up. I'm not going to back down. And immediately I contacted the Deputy Commissioner of Police at the PPRO, Lagos State, Benjamin Ndeyin. And while I was told to go to Ogombo, and then I also consulted with people and they said, you don't need to go to Ogombo. You'll mess yourself up. I get what I'm saying. So I quickly stayed back. I wrote a petition and I went straight to Panti, which is a state CID under the Lagos State Police Command. Fast forward, when I realized that they started bringing up somebody to say, and they know certainly that if I should take that up truly, something will happen. Would they persist on the Deputy Commissioner of Police? He was calling me constantly, and I was calling him. Only I would say call transfer case and command because she back on me lagbara kokon me lowo to very follow. I'm only putting my life, putting everything out to support this case. Eventually, one corner me, one day Adura call petition or be call petition, but one petition on me because ko se pe won pe me lo si command e pe Adura competition against me. They only said they want to prove to me that Adura Kolumba be shot. Pe yan ba ni pe awon ko fe support emi lo fe gba. Emi gongon ni victim. What Adura is trying to do is egbon Yomi emi ko ni mo fe gba yin o. Yan ba lo fe gba yin nkan to mi ro ko se niyen. Tori mi o sese kankan, mi o commit any crime. Do you understand? But I have to hold on to that video because it's very crucial. Can't get to me because Toba bought her unnecessarily. If they dissect it unnecessarily on social media, anything we trust the other way. One to saw the issue at Ayoni. And the two because they are looking for ways to discredit it. Okay. They invited me there. I went to party same day. Mo finish up mo statement. One can address Adura wa my log be. I kept saying, no problem. Mo gbe lọ sí command. On the Commissioner of Police in Ikiwa, and I got there. Wọ́n for me, and they tried to explain to me. Baba Mohbad no dey ba won be. And one Mr. Aye Pareti, and we went inside together. More than suffer money in this particular case, but only more case Mohbad. Sir, what the compo, CP Longpo compo, Tony can investigate the impersonation. One, can investigate what killed Mohbad. I've been able to write with Boko. Ni Lagos State Command. Okay, me láti antagonize ọlọ́pàá, me le rubbish ọlọ́pàá. Money, but before I can say anything, can I see the suspect? Tell him babi sọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ṣàdúrà, bàtà dúró sí bí. Ọwọ́ ní káwọn tó ń bọ̀ bọ́yẹ̀ jáde o. Kí ni mo fẹ́ bá sọ? Then kí má bá sọ àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ rí lórí social media. Money, there is freedom of expression. Money, I have to see him first. What dẹ̀ náà wọ́n kàn ti fẹ́ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ ń bọ̀ bọ́yẹ̀ jáde. Mo dẹ̀ bèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, mo ní ṣé video to send sí mi. Is it from Mohbad's house? Only yes. Money, ta ló wà ńbẹ̀? ó ní ẹ̀hún mi ló ń jà bọ̀ kó ń ṣe Mohbad ló ń bá jà mo ní okay mo ní is that what you want to tell me mo dẹ̀ sọ fọlọ́pàá mo ní I've heard him but I don't believe him mo ní so can I proceed I am the major person here I am the victim here èmi ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbá whether mo ti send owó àbí mi send owó n tẹ fẹ́ help mi ṣe ni pé wọn ò rí mi gbá èmi ni wọ́n commit offence against secondary ni àdúrà bọ́ ọmọ náà gbogbo ọmọ náà bọ́ ọwọ́ agbára náà lọ sí ń lò tí gbogbo yóò fẹ́ ọwọ́ agbára náà lọ tó fi gbé lọ sí command wọ́n ti share everything I don't want to libel and whatever they have done tèmi ni pé at the end of the day mo dẹ̀ sọ mo kọ statement mi wà bẹ́ẹ̀ I don't believe you nítorí pé until tó bá establish gbogbo case tó dìrọ̀ mọ́ wọ́n ní èyí mi tẹ́ fẹ́ gbàgbọ́ tẹ́ dàlámù tó fẹ́ jí owó mi mo ní mo fi ṣe secondary ikú tó pa Mohbad tí ó ṣàlàyé pẹ̀lú evidence tó fi síbẹ̀ ló wà important sí mi bàbá Mohbad dẹ̀ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀yà jókòó síbẹ̀ ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n yẹ́rì mi that's why in fact they are also supporting them pé mi ìgbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí social media ibi tí mo ti wá withheld video yẹn tí ruma yóò mọ̀ because they sit on social media and they castigate I don't need anybody to like me what I want you to do is do right by my side me ilé expect everybody understand me láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ struggle ìgbẹ̀yìn the end shall justify the means however ẹ rántí pé mo wá sórí platform yìí ìpìlẹ̀ sọ pé kí n fún Mr. Famuyiwa ní address ilé ibi tí neighbor wà tọ́lá fẹ́ lọ gba orúkọ isn't it Mr. Lati pé àwọn fẹ́ lọ get orúkọ.
Yes, yes, I remember, sir. Yes.
Mo wá send the screenshot.
No, Mr. Adele, sorry, the truth, sorry. It was on a phone call. It was not in public place. It was on a phone call with Mr. Lati. Not to request address, Mr. Lati Sheranti. It was on a phone call.
No.
That was the first attempt on this
Mr.
platform, the second
It
time.
was on this platform.
Mr.
Bayo Billion.
On a phone call.
Mr. Bayo Billion, it was on this platform. It was on this platform. That is all we pay consent here. Please, can you mute, sir? Emma Binu, Mr. Yomi, please, let's move on, please. Let's move on. He might not be here that day. Please, let's move on. Emma Binu, please.
So, Mr. Lati, you ordered me. Kí n fún Mr. Famuyiwa any address yẹn bye bá ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ and I sent the screenshot ibi tá à ń sọ ìkó kéèyàn fọ́jú tó bá wájú lé Mohbad tó bá fọwọ́ sára ògiri adé níbi tá à ń sọ yìí ẹ̀yin lẹ́yìn kọ́ fún mi ládírẹ́sì lé Mohbad ní ìmọ̀bẹ̀ and I sent it to you just for the person to go to the street and locate the place ibi tó wá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní pé tí gbogbo yóò mọ̀ tó fà tí ẹ pé àfi ìjà tàfi ní problem gbà yẹn Mr. Lati was when Mr. Famuyiwa was going to come here ẹni tó rán lọ Mr. Seyi ló ń pè ẹni yẹn dé street yẹn wọn ló máa pè mí o kí n assist ẹ mo ní no problem mo tún dijọ́ kejì mo dó tí ó dé ibẹ̀ gangan àjọ make effort láti reach ẹni tó nílé yẹn nígbà tẹ́ni yẹn ò dáhùn mo ní ẹ máa lọ o ẹ lọ sọ hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì in case kẹ jí wá síbẹ̀ ó lè jẹ́ ó máa jí lọ bí iṣẹ́ láàárọ̀ àjọ agree mo tún ní kó béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹlòmíì having said that mo wá ní ẹ má bínú o kẹ bá ba rìnrìn méjì pé I have another person nínú estate yẹn ó wá sórí live show mi tó fẹ́ show support but unfortunately ìgbà tó fẹ́ mú mi lọ sí bí ọ̀rọ̀ CCTV pé wọ́n send the threat message sí and she backed off but since you are in that estate mi ò ready rí o fóònù ẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí ẹ pé kẹtù since tó yẹ pé legal team ní kẹ lọ bá sọ̀rọ̀ I thought the Mr. Seyi was a lawyer according to ti wọ́n sọ fún wa lawyer lè bí pé máa yẹn and I gave the lady's number to this Mr. Seyi ṣẹ́bọ̀n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣá Mr. Alati wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ hack into a database wọ́n dẹ̀ extract personal information lady tá a sọ yìí bàbá yẹn ó dẹ̀ send ẹ̀ sí mi gbàm mo ní who owns this information only you are about to find out tẹ́lá lọ́wọ́ page mi lórí TikTok Instagram mo ti gbé gbogbo ṣáàtì yẹn síbẹ̀ àti ti Mr. Famuyiwa mo wá ní about to find out well okay we are waiting next thing àṣẹ wọn lọ send the same thing sí lady yẹn lady tó padà tí wọ́n ṣe pẹ̀lú wọn sí o pa báyìí send ẹ̀ sí lady wọ́n bẹ so ẹ̀ wá CCTV àwọn tó fẹ́ pù lórí ọ̀rọ̀ CCTV lẹ́ ń threaten ṣẹ́fẹ́ lọ pa ẹni ni I quickly spoke to the lady that okay you know what please ẹni yóò mọ̀lẹ́ ẹ look for your safety mo wá kására now mi ilé pé bàbá bàbá lórí phone ó wá di ìjẹfà tájọ wà ní police command I thought okay this is an opportunity to bear it all wọ́n ní sir nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ o àti yanjú eléyìí. I'm going to take it up. Ọlọ́pàá command ibi tá a bá gbé kéèsì lọ tó máa ti lè gbọ́ gbogbo ẹjọ́ entirely òun ni I need. But nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ lára ni yóò bàbá Mohbad tí mo láti sọ fún yín wọ́n á dá wọn dúró. Mo ní sir ṣe mọ̀ pé nǹkan báyìí ni Mr. Famuyiwa ṣe. You are looking for justice for your son and this is what I did to help them. N tó ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ help lélẹ̀. Wọ́n wá ní ẹ̀bọ̀ ọ̀dà ẹ̀kọ́ sọ pé mo fún wọn ní fake address mo wá ṣí fóònù mi mo ní ẹ wo chat wa mo ní ṣe address mo ní ẹ wo unfortunately wọ́n wá ní sir mo ní èmi ò kì í ṣe social media whatever I'm an activist I have a human rights organization ẹ̀mí àwọn ẹni tí ó help me one way or the other my source my lead cannot be jeopardized or threatened kí má lè jà fún wọn mo ní I am sorry I have taken legal action against Mr. Famuyiwa àti Mr. Sheyin but as a matter of fact bá ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí I have been to court and there is warrant of arrest on Mr. Famuyiwa àti Sheyin kí ni mo sọ fún báyìí pẹ̀m mo wá rí countenance wọn he didn't say anything I said I'm not going to go further ṣé nǹkan tó bá sọ nìyẹn wọ́n ní the other Mr. tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ló wà búrò Mr. Famuyiwa ó ní ó lè kò lè jẹ́ bọ̀dá àwọn ó lè jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó súnmọ́ bàbá ló ń ṣe kinní yẹn was mentioning the name I was like yeah really you are police commando níta títí bẹ̀ I said you know what I just have to continue with this struggle by myself I can't do anything with this mo ti understand nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ni máa gbéra lọ fún tó máa fi dijọ́ kejì lady tẹ́mi dìídì gbé ọlọ́pàá lọ sínú ilé ẹ̀ nínú estate yẹn the same lady tí Bukky Jesse yẹn sọ pé fake ni o I wrote a petition police followed me to her estate inú ilé ẹ̀ ló ti kọ petition ló ti kọ statement pẹ̀lú handwriting ẹ̀ secondly lawyer mi bá get test tó sọ pé wá sórí ilé platform by Parano lawyer mi bá sọ̀rọ̀ if you want me to a conversation nígbà tí lawyer brief don't debrief ẹ̀ and I'm in court again on civil suit to seek justice for that lady at the end of the day àwọn sọ pé kébì send the video ní mọ̀ di ọ̀rọ̀ ṣé tí bá tẹ̀ bá send the video tó bá wúlò ṣebí tí bá ti competition tèmi tí mo níbi tí mo ń lọ àwọn tó lọ fi máa ń ṣe bóyá lawyer tí mo trust ni máa gbé ogun ẹ̀ lẹ́fún so that it's not for social media or anybody it's for us to move tó bá jẹ́ pé video exist ni these people tó ń ṣe press conference àti ọlọ́pàá o àti àwọn lawyer Wunmi o lọ́mọ ti ní Yomi did not Damola or Adura did not even send the video it's a lie wọ́n sọ ìwọ ẹ̀yin bọ́ tàn síbi ẹ̀jú kò síbi ẹ̀yin sọ pé fídíò kò wẹ̀ sí bóyá ti old one ni bóyá kò kì í ṣe old one it's uncalled for it's not making sense that you know Yomi you can see anything to his name it's not me ẹ̀mí lè má lè rí yín o mo lè má lè mọ bí tẹ wá o ẹ lè mọ pé ẹ lórúkọ tí ọkọ fẹ́ bàjẹ́ o but you can enjoy it for all I care but it's not making any sense because because there are some certain things that you people will do gbogbo ẹlẹfẹ kí ọba sọ ẹni Yomi sọ̀rọ̀ jù if you hold to yourself ẹ tún ní olùjìbìtì ẹni kò wá straightforward báwo ni wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ go through case báyìí high profile case báyìí tó máa nà tó fẹ́ anybody since I am on the front line allow me to do it ẹ máa fún mi timeline tí ẹni ọ̀rọ̀ CCTV tó bá padà jáde ibò lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ fojú sí ṣé máa nà yín tó bí CCTV bá jáde because the CCTV will eventually come out I'm not going to beat you but you have ruined my name tí báwo ni consequence ò ní padà wá so CCTV ò CC màá bọ́ta máa sọ pa ẹ̀ do you know what I have done do you know how much I've spent mo sálọ wọ́n fẹ́ pa mí mo sálọ mo dé padà mo sì já ìjà kan náà ẹ sì sọ oríṣiríṣi ẹni kiri ìgbà kan lẹ sọ pé ṣe foundation ò real ìgbà kan lẹ ní fẹ́ lọ asylum gbogbo rọ́tẹ̀ kan pa kiri and you are denting somebody's effort ìjà ọ̀rẹ́ fún bàṣẹ́ tí bá dẹ̀ ogun ẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ní bá pọ́n ní gbogbo kiri jù kí lẹ ti ṣe kí ló ti ṣe.
Mr. Yomi.
And then Mr. Onile, please, anytime you want to talk about pé o gbé mi lọ sí Abẹ́òkúta, I appreciate that you took me that ride. But ma fi sí pé mi ni mo ra ogbo epo lọ síbẹ̀. To and fro tó fi lọ. Ma fi kún because I don't understand the basis why you keep saying that. O de like kẹrin tí ma gbọ́ tó ma sọ. I'm not talking with that again. O de lolo ṣe fún mi. And I bought the fuel tó fi débẹ̀. So stop saying it. Mo ní sọ orí bá kọ lára mi. Mi find it funny. And you're saying I said something to you. What did I say to you? What did I say? Ìbá sọ pé tó bá di Tuesday máa ṣe gbọ́kọ́. Tí bá légún máa jó tó bá jó mọ́. Ṣé mo ti kúrò ní kéèsì náà ni? As it is báyìí ṣe sọ sí. Kí tí tó ṣì máa gbé wa súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ mo ṣiṣẹ́ lọ. You have not even done anything close to it. Ẹ sọ pé mo sọ kọ́kọ́ Tuesday. Tí bá sọ pé Tuesday tó di sí. Tí mo ṣiṣẹ́ nǹkan tó ń jọ lọ. Tọ́lọ́pàá bá ṣiṣẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ ni. Adura, whatever it is, by now we will get justice. Why Teshem Bayo Lórúkọ Jẹ́ to bring you down because of an actor?
All right, Mr. Yomi, thank you so much. Please, ma fẹ́ ká allow question nísìn. And màá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú títọ̀dọ̀ mi. Thank you so much, very well. Mi ò sọ nítorí wípé mo gbé yín lọ àbí nǹkan kan. Mo sọ nítorí pé mo mọ̀ wípé I discuss one or two things. And thank you very much, sir, láti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa epo. Mo gbé yín láti Ìkòròdú lọ sí Abẹ́òkúta. Mo dẹ̀ padà sí Òjòdú Bẹ́gà. Ẹ dẹ̀ ra epo 20,000. Epo 20,000 naira ò lè gbé mi. I bought fuel as well. Thank you, sir. Please, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, gbogbo ẹni tó fẹ́ béèrè question, please, ẹ má jẹ́ ká lọ sí ibi question anything tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú owó àbí kò ṣe owó. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ lórí nǹkan tí Mr. Yomi sọ sílẹ̀. Please, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ lórí nǹkan tí Mr. Yomi sọ sílẹ̀. Kò ń ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n dáwó kan àbí mo fowó kan sí foundation wọn àbí nǹkan kan. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kọ́ ló wà nínú nǹkan tá à ń sọ ń sìn. So please, ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ lórí nǹkan tán sọ sílẹ̀. So let me start from up. Bayo Billion, you have 2 minutes, please. You can unmute.
Uncle Ati, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ má bínú pé mo ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀. I started on the wrong note, you know, because ìgbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ dé síbí, Yomi ò tí dé síbí, ṣó yé yín. So ló jẹ́ kí n. I was trying to engage ẹ̀yin àti Mr. Onile mo fẹ́ engage based on what we've done and the aspect and level tẹ́ ti ṣe nínú justice for Mohbad. So mo fẹ́ béèrè ni wípé if there was a 3 seconds video, do you deserve, with what you've done for Yomi at a foundation do you deserve to see a bit of that video? Ṣé tẹ́ bá rí video yẹn ṣé ó lè bá kéèsì jẹ́ àbí kò lè bá kéèsì jẹ́, Mr. Lati?
Tí bá rí video yẹn kò lè bá kéèsì jẹ́.
Kò lè bá kéèsì jẹ́. Why tí ẹni tó ní video lọ́wọ́ kò ṣe deem it fit to put people like you?
No,
Esa, now we are trying to register this, right? When we wanted to talk about
Bayo, so gbogbo question is like, oh, after Yomi.
No. Sherry, you have to register something, sir. Sherry,
no,
the
video
after
Yomi, I won't accept that.
No.
It's a very harsh question.
Mr. Lati, ṣé mo send àwọn kan sí àbí mi send àwọn kan sí àti bẹ̀rẹ̀?
Now.
So these people are just coming here to, they don't understand.
Mr. Yomi, that is okay. Please, I think he has dropped. Mr. Dinos, or what is that name? Please, can you unmute?
Hold on.
All right, sir.
Hello.
Please, let's power tap everybody, please.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, èyí kò fẹ́ suggest ni pé only video kò ní video, kò just. I think we should all channel our energy to Nigerian police. Tí Nigerian police tí wọ́n bá ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó ṣe káàní débi báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀ tó ti ká channel energy wa towards that. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn kan ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kán ṣe. Tí àwọn bá ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kán ṣe, ó àní débi tàdé. Ẹni tó ní evidence tó bá fi ń pẹ̀lú tí wọ́n bá ṣiṣẹ́ ní nǹkan, àwọn tó ń jà pé kò rí tí ó bá ìdẹ́jọ́ ìjọpẹ̀ tí bàbá náà tó bá lọ síbẹ̀ tí Nigerian police ò bá lè tún ní kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe. We should all channel our energy towards the government. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn dìde kan ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kan ṣe. I think that's my own opinion.
Mr. Lati, I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Please don't go yet. Mr. Onile, please don't let him go. Mr. Demos, please let me quickly ask my questions. Just two questions, because in all of this, as much as we all have our different opinions. I have my reservations towards Yomi, and that's my own business. That's my own problem. But I also have just two questions, and my question is this: Mr. Yomi, your efforts are well appreciated. I must confess to you, all the things many of us will share. And I'm not going to be part of this. I will say that rubbish your efforts. And I give you that credit. And for that, I give it to you. As much as I said I have my reservations, I'm not going to state that here. Having said that, these are my 2 questions. You're welcome, bro. These are my 2 questions. Did you at any point in time, so weekly and I quote, tí ẹ bá rí CCTV yẹn bí wọ́n ṣe pa Mohbad yẹn, did you at any point in time, did you say that, sir?
Where's the body where you pa Mohbad?
Tẹ́ bá rí CCTV yẹn, tẹ́ bá rí CCTV yẹn, please just give me kankan máa gbé jáde, but tẹ́ bá rí CCTV yẹn, nǹkan tó bọ́ yẹn go through bó ṣe pa, did you at any point in time say that, sir?
I might say it, I might not say it, but I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Okay, now my question is this. For you to have said, I'm going to believe you said it because I heard it. Because you said it. I said it. And this is not...
No tissue.
And this is not a reported speech. Because I was there. So when you said that, frankly speaking, I personally felt, wow, Oluwaseun. For you to have said that affirmatively, you definitely 100% unquestionable must have seen the video. Now, which now leads to my 1B question. Did you at any point...
answer that.
Okay, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Simba Sokwe, I give a description of how Mohbad died.
Okay.
You're only choosing the fact that you believe that I must have seen it. But you're not even weighing on the option whether it was narrated to me by a credible source. But you want me to explain to you how I draw that conclusion, which I'm not obliged to say. But unfortunately, social media, you are tilting towards he saw it. I have it as evidence. You must always, dualize your option. Maybe somebody who saw it or has it narrated it, but of course, I'm not going to be a good witness in that. So the man insists to pay because because I'm still doing more than enough. You understand? Because the man saw by I want to handle the social media because you want to man take a process or do you understand?
No.
So how Mohbad died is a description and is certain. So don't let me. You understand? Go to the second question.
Okay. Now, on that note, sir, from your explanation right now, it's more like a reported speech, a reported evidence from a very credible source.
I have never said that.
Oh, there might be no. Let's just conclude on this, sir.
And whatever the case may be, whether I was told, whether I see, I am still working towards to get justice for this guy. And
yes, no doubt about that.
People are very look at I am saying, I'm still working.
Okay, Mr. Yomi,
and I'm still working.
Nobody is disputing that. Now, nobody's. But unfortunately, please let me correct an opinion, sir.
Okay.
I am that individual. I am not interested in cheap recognition or self-glorification. So, I am not that kind of person. But I'm only talking based on the context of this thing. Reliable sources. So that's number 1. Number 2 now.
I'm not
by having
to say that.
It's not a must to accept that, sir. It's not a must to accept. Please, I need to hold on. Let me just ask my next question. I will just get on. Mr. Yomi, I am not fighting you, sir. I am also an authority. I'm an expert in communication. What I see you doing here, you are playing on words. And I understand that perfectly, sir. Our communicators by a woman, now, my second question is this. Sir, do you think by having evidence, that 3 seconds video that is gotten from Adura, do you think that by not putting it down in an advanced country, you are aiding and abetting justice? What do you think, sir? Don't you think you are aiding and abetting justice by having such concrete value, very valuable and solid evidence? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Go ahead, sir.
The only time you are obstructing justice, if you have such a credible evidence and you do not drop it, is if you do not give it to the right authority, to the police, that is under compulsion and constitution of the country or state to prosecute that kind of a case. Unfortunately, most of you, what you're asking me to do is to share with people that we may not even prosecute, or what I will still do is what they will do with it, or share it on social media. My dear, if you must know, it has been shared with the right authority. And that is why, even when I went to their own police station, they cannot tell you. I was even putting it to them. Now, why are you not working on the video? Baba Mohbad was there. The lawyer from Sashitu was there. And the police officer told me, I am not going to look in. I didn't even see it, and I don't want to see it. You are not, see, on social media. Going to that command is not an easy thing. I told from Sashitu. I said, are you not going to look into the video? He said, I don't want to. And that's not what we are given the mandate to investigate. It will tell me, tell me about this. I don't need to tell you where I'm working. Because my zombie, ambush me. I want to ọlọ́pàá ni mo wà obliged láti gbé fún. Ó ṣe gbọ́ tí Mr. Kinney sọ wí kí ló máa share pẹ̀lú. Mi ń ṣàkọdà. I am not in that level. So giving it to the police is doing the right thing under the law. Sharing it with only on any tó yẹ kó share pẹ̀lú. Tó bá mess up pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, ìyẹn ló ti obstruct justice. And that's the truth.
Okay, Mr. Lati.
On a final note, sir. Now, Mr. Demos, sir. On a final note, sir. That is, in fact, you have answered my question. No, I'm not asking any question. You're asking the question. Mr. Yomi, God bless you. I pray to God Almighty to give you the strength, the wisdom, and knowledge to be able to get us that concrete evidence, because that is what many of us are actually waiting for. For you to actually, that's what we are clamoring for. That's what we are waiting for us to, 100% solidly stand by you. Thank you.
Mr. Yomi, quick question.
Please, Yomi, please, I don't know if we can allow him to go.
I just want to
question now.
Okay, mo fẹ́ béèrè question.
Ó ti sọ fún yín tẹ́lẹ̀ gbọ́ ni.
Irọ́ ni wọ́n lè lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n dá ìtọ́ dálẹ̀
Mr. Yomi, quick question. Onílé kí sáré béèrè question méjì lọ́wọ́ wọn. Mr. Yomi.
Ẹ̀yin kọ́lẹ̀ ń rè ní ẹ ó dọ̀nà. Ẹ̀yin lẹ̀ ń rè ní.
Bọ́dá Láti.
Hello, yes.
Hello, man.
Hello, à ń gbọ́, yes.
Yeah, yes.
O máa ní láti story tó fi ń gbọ́ wa ẹ̀nà kó tó lè bá a sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ lè máa gbọ́ ṣòkò.
Okay, Bọ́dá Láti, mo fẹ́ béèrè question kan lọ́wọ́ Mr. Yomi. Mr. Yomi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ káàsán ṣẹ́ wa. Okay, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Okay, how long lẹ́yìn feel pé ló máa take láti release evidence or anything tẹ́ bá ní lọ́wọ́? Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kí public right kan donate owó for this evidence tẹ́ ní lọ́wọ́? It can be on the public or whatever ẹ bá ní. Yes, sir. Mr.
Ìbéèrè yẹn ò ṣe fẹ́ mi. Mr. Yomi náà kí n ṣe entertainment ló máa ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ń gbọ́ yín.
Yeah, so nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ sọ ó di ẹyin question tí arábìnrin ẹ̀ tó put sí Mr. Yomi pa pé wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wọ́n rí fídíò tó wà ní CCTV. Yes, kò sí anytime tí Mr. Yomi sọ because mo máa ń wà lórí platform wọn. The only thing tó ń sọ tó narrate nípa pé bí bó ṣe kọ́ ilé Mohbad pẹ̀lú neighbor yẹn pé same ni the same format ni pẹ̀lú CCTV camera. So nǹkan tó dẹ̀ try láti sọ ni pé gbogbo legal team baba Mohbad wọ́n sanwó fún nǹkan tó yẹ kó fi ṣiṣẹ́ nìyẹn. Yes, no anytime tí Mr. Yomi mention pé àwọn wọ́n fi fídíò CCTV wọn àwọn the only thing tó explain ni pé ó ní storage bí tí kinní yẹn tí gbogbo kinní yẹn wà tó explain fáwọn. So,
Mr. Kola, sir. He said it, sir. He did, sir. Mr. Kola, he did, sir.
We're still going to bring out the video.
To let this one slide. I just go slide now.
JK International.
Maybe I responded because ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ ni wọ́n sọ. Ẹ má bínú mà.
Gbogbo legal team kan sanwó fún. Ṣé iṣẹ́ legal team ní Mr. Yomi máa ṣe ni? Anything tí Mr. Yomi bá ní lọ́wọ́, ó máa tó bá yẹ kó fẹ́ fi lẹ̀. Authority náà lọ máa fún wọn ò lè fún legal team because legal team náà we don't trust anybody again. Àmọ́ bí tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún So everybody ló máa pariwo ẹwú gbogbo ìjà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Bukky Jesse Kàrímọ́ kínní kan ṣé ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní pé àwọn pípù yìí náà wọn ò dúró wọ́n ti ju ògúlùtù sínú yín ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ fura rárá because lè come to kẹ́ wà ní ẹyọ kan.
ẹ bá wọn ṣe ń ṣòro ẹ.
àti tẹ́ bá wà lẹ́yọ kan òun ní gbogbo kínní yìí lè work yes òun lè work.
all right.
Mr. Lafi.
Thank you very much.
Ibi kẹ́lẹ̀ bá mọ iye iná tí wọ́n ń dá sí mi ní abẹ́ ẹ wo irú lady tá a sọ yìí tí wọ́n gbọ́ that time tẹni tí bàbá Mohbad pè ní legal power of attorney àbúrò òun ẹni tí ó rán lọ because at the end of the day he's still gonna be arrested he's gonna pay for the crime àti Mr. Seyi tọ́rọ lọ wọ́n fẹ́ ọkọ̀ ẹ wá wo irú lady yẹn ẹ máa gbọ́dọ̀ mi ẹ wo irú lady yẹn tó snitch on me tí èèyàn kan wá bọ̀dà sọ pé ó wá sórí platform kan èmi ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni tí èmi gbé lọ́ọ̀yà dìde ṣé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ mi I instituted a civil suit.
nígbà tí ọlọ́pàá sọ pé òun kọ́ làwọn fẹ́ ṣe legal team bàbá Mohbad tó wà nígbà tí bàbá Mohbad wọn ò ṣe question ọlọ́pàá yẹn pé kí lẹ́ni pé àwọn èlò fídíò yẹn.
ayé tó bèrè á da question yẹn valid irú àwọn very valid question when the moment ṣe fẹ́ gbọ́ tọrọ the moment tí ọlọ́pàá yẹn sọ pé nǹkan táwọn ṣe kọ́ yẹn tí mo dẹ̀ rí pé lọ́ọ̀yà wà ń bẹ̀ tí wọn ò jà fún touch anything I took my stand and that one mo sọ fún wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ pé lẹ́yìn ikú sáré I would never believe you Damola ẹni tó prosecute case yẹn sì tọ́wọ́ court ọgbà magistrate court ó ti pè mí mo ní tẹ́ bá ṣe case yẹn tán tí mi wá testify fake ilẹ̀ ṣe and I'm still going to write to that judge gbogbo ìta ṣe lórí social ẹ wo bí ogun tó wà lẹ̀ eré tí àwọn púpù yìí sá ó kọjá gbogbo ìtàwọn ilé ìṣe gbogbo ìtàwọn tó ń tọ̀ láti ṣe pálapàla mi lórúkọ tí nǹkan lè bàjẹ́ téèyàn bá dárúkọ mi tó dárúkọ mi this is a serious high profile controversial case already kò sí bọ́ọ̀ ṣe ní ba orúkọ ọ̀yàn jẹ́ when you are tilting towards the truth kò sẹ́ni tó bá sọ pé nǹkan ẹ̀kọ́ báyìí ni Yomi ṣe láti tó àti justice àbí nǹkan báyìí ló ṣe láì má tiẹ̀ gbé wa súnmọ́ bíbẹ̀ but they keep finding a way to lie against you.
Bọ́dá Yomi bọ́dá ẹ yẹ káwa náà sọ̀rọ̀ náà ìjọ náà àwọn àmì báyìí látàárọ̀ náà.
Hold on mò ń bọ̀ ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ó yá sọ̀rọ̀ kọ́là ẹ tètè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má kì mí.
àbúfẹ́ tètè sọ̀rọ̀ náà ni áńgù tí kéèké tí sọ fún bóyá wọ́n sọ fún ẹ bá rí rẹ̀ ìyàwó lè fi sẹ́ńtà mo lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí kọ́rọ̀ Kamala Adéṣèké tí wọ́n máa àṣọ tẹ bá dẹ̀ rí tẹ bá rí bí ló ṣe ṣe kìíní kan gbogbo wa láti imagine bí sìn yẹn ti ṣe lè ṣẹlẹ̀ rí pé àdúró tì ní àbò ṣe kìíní kan dẹ́ gbogbo wa láti imagine bóra ẹ̀pẹ́ ní yìí tí òun afúnni tó ó pọ̀ sí kéèyàn sọ pé tẹ bá dẹ̀ káṣù ìbá
that is me anxious ó wà anxious.
ẹ pé àṣà tàbádẹ̀ ìdí fídíò kìíní dẹ̀ sí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ṣe kìíní àná dẹ̀ ṣe yìí tó ẹlòmíì wá lè fi pípẹ́ bóyá àwọn ènìyàn ti rí ló jẹ́ kó sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́yẹ̀ bọ̀ ó lè má ti rí bọ̀ gbogbo wa láti ẹ̀ǹdíṣẹ́ bó ṣe lè ṣẹlẹ̀. àti ẹ̀ bá dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá jẹ́ pìsẹ́ńtà you talk to some extent ògùn tí ó gbé pé kẹ́hìn bá sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn máa grab afẹ́ bí.
all right.
ṣé bí lè wà lọ báyìí bọ́lá láti.
ẹ ká sọ̀rọ̀ náà.
ẹ fi láti Sáyọ̀ bí tẹ bá fẹ́ máa lọ ẹ fi láti máa lọ tẹ bá dẹ̀ tí lọ tán bá da yín dúró tẹ bá rí pé wọ́n fẹ́ fọ ṣó èsì yín ẹ fi láti bọ́lẹ̀ láti máa lọ ẹni tẹ bá ní kó ṣe tẹ̀ ṣe pé kò tẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́rùn káwọn náà ẹbí gan wà lára àwọn tiwọn náà wọ́n dẹ̀ lè rìn káwọn náà kìsẹ̀ sí káwọn náà máa ṣe ká máa rí that just it.
àwọn ló ṣe press conference fún ni ẹ jíjà rí